Ah, the dreaded wet carpet smell, a mysterious concoction of musty odors that can instantly turn a cozy room into a no-go zone. But don't worry. We've got the ultimate guide to banishing that soggy stench and reclaiming your living space. Prepare to embark on a journey through the realms of drying, cleaning, and deodorizing as we unveil the secrets of how to get rid of wet carpet smell once and for all. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Assess the situation. First, you need to figure out why your carpet is wet. Identifying the root cause is essential, as it will help you take the right action to prevent the issue from happening again. Some common culprits include leaks from pipes, appliances, or the roof, accidental spills, or even flooding due to heavy rain or plumbing problems. Now, once you've determined the cause, it's time to inspect your carpet for signs of mold or mildew. Mold and mildew thrive in damp environments and can cause health issues if left unchecked. So, make sure you're thorough in your inspection. Look for any discolored spots, a fuzzy appearance, or a musty smell. You can also use a flashlight to get a better view of the carpet's fibers. If you find mold or mildew, don't panic. You can often address the issue with store-bought cleaners or natural remedies. We'll discuss how to go about this later in the video. Dry the carpet. This step is crucial because the faster you dry your carpet, the less likely it is to develop a persistent smell or mold issues. Start by grabbing some clean towels or rags to blot up as much excess water as possible. Press the towels firmly against the carpet, soaking up the water without rubbing. Rubbing the towels on the carpet can damage the carpet fibers. Keep swapping out wet towels for dry ones until you've removed most of the surface moisture. Now it's time to bring out the big guns, a wet vacuum cleaner or an extractor. These devices are designed to suck up water from carpets and can be rented from most hardware stores. Carefully go over the wet area with the vacuum cleaner, making multiple passes if necessary. Doing this will ensure that you remove as much water as possible. To speed up the drying process, set up some fans around the room and open any windows to promote airflow. Direct the fans towards the wet area to encourage evaporation. The increased ventilation will help remove moisture from the carpet and the room in general. If the humidity level in your home is high, consider using a dehumidifier. Place it in the room with the wet carpet and turn it on to help pull moisture from the air. This will aid in speeding up the drying process. Remember to empty the water reservoir regularly to keep the dehumidifier working efficiently. If your carpet is still damp after trying these methods, or if you suspect the padding or subfloor beneath the carpet is wet, you might need to lift the carpet. This can be a bit tricky, so proceed with caution. Carefully pull back the carpet from one corner. Take care not to damage the tack strips or the carpet itself. After exposing the padding or subfloor, use fans or a dehumidifier to dry these areas. Once these areas are completely dry, lay the carpet back down and reattach it to the tack strips. Clean the carpet. This step will help eliminate any lingering odors and make your carpet fresh and inviting again. First, consider using a carpet cleaner specifically designed to neutralize odors. If you don't have one, purchase one from any store that sells cleaning supplies. Make sure to read the label and follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. If you're unsure which product to choose, you can always ask for recommendations or check online reviews. If you prefer a DIY approach, you can create your own cleaning solution with common household items. There are a couple of options. Vinegar solution. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. The vinegar will help neutralize odors and remove stains. Baking soda. Mix a cup of baking soda with a few cups of water to create a paste. This mixture can also help eliminate smells and lift dirt from your carpet. Once you've prepared your cleaning solution, apply it to the affected areas of the carpet. If you're using the vinegar solution, spray it evenly onto the carpet. Take care not to oversaturate the fibers. For the baking soda paste, use a soft bristle brush to gently work the mixture into the carpet. Now that your cleaning solution has been applied, it's time to gently scrub the carpet fibers. Use a soft bristle brush or an old toothbrush to work the solution into the fibers. Be careful not to damage the carpet. Make sure to scrub in different directions to reach all sides of the fibers and effectively remove dirt and odors. Finally, rinse the carpet with clean water. If you use the vinegar solution, you can blot the area with a clean, damp cloth to remove any residue. If you opted for the baking soda paste, use a wet vacuum to extract the mixture from the carpet. Make sure to remove as much moisture as possible to prevent any lingering dampness or odors. Deodorize the carpet. With your carpet clean and almost ready to go, it's time to give it a final deodorizing treatment. Baking soda is a fantastic, natural deodorizer that will help absorb any lingering odors and leave your carpet smelling fresh. Grab a box of baking soda and generously sprinkle it all over the damp area of the carpet. Don't be shy, cover the entire area evenly, ensuring that all fibers get a good coating of baking soda. Now, let the baking soda work its magic. Allow it to sit on the carpet for several hours, or even overnight if possible. The longer you leave the baking soda, the more time it has to absorb any lingering odors and give your carpet a thorough deodorizing treatment. Once the baking soda has had time to do its job, it's time to vacuum it up. Use your regular vacuum cleaner to go over the entire area where you applied the baking soda. Make sure to remove all the powder. You might need to make several passes to ensure you've picked up all the baking soda. Once that's done, your carpet should be fresh and odor-free. Address mold and mildew issues. If you discovered mold or mildew on your carpet during the cleaning process, it's essential to address the issue to protect both your carpet and your health. To deal with mold and mildew, you'll need to buy a specialized mold and mildew remover if you don't have one. When choosing a mold and mildew remover, make sure it's safe for use on carpets and has a proven track record for effectively treating the problem. Once you have your mold and mildew remover in hand, it's time to apply it to the affected areas. Make sure to read and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Some products may require dilution with water. Others might need to sit on the carpet for a certain amount of time. Always adhere to the guidelines to ensure the best results and avoid damaging your carpet. In some cases, mold or mildew infestations can be too severe for a DIY approach. If you're dealing with a widespread issue or if your carpet has been damp for an extended period, it might be best to call in a professional. They have the expertise and equipment needed to effectively remove mold and mildew, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for you and your family. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.